Tired of manually entering your bank details every time a cool new app wants access? Today, we're diving into Plaid, the company connecting your bank to thousands of apps and helping you decide if linking your accounts is a smart move. First, what exactly is Plaid? It's a middleman, securely linking your bank account to apps like Venmo, Acorns, Coinbase, and Betterment. This allows for easy transfers, real-time balance updates, and streamlined financial management. To benefit convenience, Plaid eliminates the hassle of entering your routing and account numbers repeatedly. Think instant account verification and faster transactions. Plus, many apps offer personalized insights based on your spending habits, made possible by Plaid's connection. But here's the crucial part: to risks. Linking your account means granting a third-party access to your financial data. Although Plaid encrypts your information, data breaches are always a possibility. It's essential to understand what data is shared and how the app uses it. Read the app's privacy policy carefully. Before linking, do your homework. Check the app's security measures and Plaid's privacy policy. Enable two-factor authentication on your bank account for added protection, and regularly monitor your bank statements for any unusual activity. Ultimately, deciding whether to link your account to Plaid is a personal choice. Weigh the convenience against the potential risks. If you're comfortable with the security measures and data sharing practices, Plaid can be a powerful tool. If not, manual entry might be the safer route. Your financial security is worth the extra effort.